How to reverse a video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. So let's begin. Before we proceed, I would like you to know that this feature will only work if you take a video in the Snapchat app. However, those videos you see on your camera roll and try to upload in Snapchat will not work with this feature. So, let's proceed. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then, assuming that you have now updated your Snapchat app, you may now open your Snapchat and then take a video right here. So for example, I will take a video from left to right of my keyboard. So I'll take a video first. And then, once you have your video, what you're going to do is to simply swipe left or right on the screen. So you may swipe left or right until you can see this option right here, which is the reverse option or the reverse feature. So as you can see now, it will start from the right side of my keyboard to the left side of my keyboard. So Snapchat has this new feature right here in which you may be able to see all of the options, unlike the older versions in which you really need to swipe left or right and look at the symbol right here. So again, this will only work if your video is taken in Snapchat and not taken from your camera roll. So that's it. That's how you can reverse a video on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.